Hi, I'm Neha Chabbra and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
For an office look, start off by applying your daily moisturizer and hydrating your skin. Use your sunscreen and apply it all over your face and neck. Use a dark concealer to hide any dark circles and blemishes. Using a damp beauty blender to push the product into the skin, blend in the concealer. Use a BB cream to brighten up your face and give you a soft office makeup look. Tame your eyebrows and set the shape using an eyebrow mascara. With a stippling brush, apply a lip and cheek tint on the cheeks for a soft blushed look. Applying the same tint on the lips for a long-lasting effect. To define your eyes, apply kajal and one coat of mascara on the eyelashes. Lastly, apply a coat of compact powder under the eyes and around the mouth. Getting ready from an office look to an evening look. Firstly, freshen up the face using a face mist. Use a damp beauty blender to blend the makeup on the face from the morning. Apply a lighter shade of concealer under the eyes, around the mouth, on the nose and forehead area to brighten the face up. Use a blender to blend the product in. Use a dual eyebrow pencil to shape, define and fill in your eyebrows. Use a bronzer to bronze and contour the cheek, nose and jawline area. You can use the same bronzer as an eyeshadow to give a smoky effect on the eyes. It's a perfect look for a night out. Take a peachy pink lipper to apply as a cream blusher. You can apply the same lipper on your lips for a soft evening look or a deeper shade of lipstick for a more formal evening look. And lastly, take one more coat of mascara and apply it from the roots to the top of your lashes. And you're ready for your evening look.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.